Hello everyone and welcome to my art and cooking channel. I'm Cynthia Maynard and I hope you enjoy this video today. We've been watching Anne of Green Gables as a family and always reminded of the great poems of Tennyson and the Lady of Shalott that Anne seems to quote for great dramatic effect. And so it's kind of inspired me to kind of have a Lady of Shalott, as it were, floating down in her boat towards Camelot. That's kind of where this idea came from. I have a great book of Tennyson's complete works from the 1800s. That's very delicate and has the nice tissue paper over the illustrations and all of that. So that's a lovely prize. Anyways, so I'm working in my Strathmore toned tan journal. And it's about 8.5 by 5.5. I love working on this toned paper. And you could do an underpainting. Certainly it would be great here. You could use colored pencil or very little water, but you could use a watercolor wash if you were careful. And but I just went right in with my oil pastels. I have my Mungyo Gallery, my Paul Rubin art, Haya, Haiya, I believe, and my Art Echo and Sennelier's. So basically just getting some sort of stormy, misty kind of weather going on there, and the perspective there coming to the castle at Camelot. And yeah, it was really fun. Basically that's what I taped off the washi with the washi there. Sorry, my voice. I'm still rather sick. Still trying to push through. But anyways, the washi tape will give us some clean edges when we peel that away. There I'm using a charcoal pencil, which works really well with oil pastels, as well as you can use your color pencils if you want some finer details. I had her facing away from me towards Camelot, as the poem suggests, but only she's sitting up in the boat. But anyways, and then going in, just trying to layer those colors along the sides. So I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe. There are the links down in the description box. You may have to click show more. And lots of fun stuff there with my blog, my Etsy shop, my PayHip store, where you can get digitals. And what else is there? All the things, Spoonflower, fabric, wallpaper, all the good stuff, Raspberry Creek Designs. Create art, guys, create art. So that's the main focus here. And I love oil pastels. They're such a great affordable art supply that delivers on texture and color and all sorts of things. And if you're a mixed media artist, don't be afraid to mix all those things in. So oil pastels are great for that. So I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to put some music on. I hope you'll stay around to the end.